What's the meaning of BMI? BMI. BMI.
BMI. BMI. BMI refers to body mass index, which is a measure of a person's body fat based on their height and weight. It is commonly used by healthcare professionals to assess whether an individual is underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese. Essentially, the formula for calculating BMI is weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared. A BMI below 18.5 indicates that a person is underweight, while a BMI above 25 indicates that they are overweight. A BMI above 30 signifies obesity. Although BMI is not always a perfect indicator of health, it can be a useful tool for evaluating risks of various health conditions associated with excess weight.